Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my pupils. So for the next lesson, we are going to do vocabulary exercises on page 100. Okay, so on this page, okay, there are 5 tasks altogether, but we are going to deal with the first 4 tasks only. We skip, okay, task 5. Okay, now let's take a look at task 1. Okay, commonly confused words, perkataan yang selalu keliru. Okay, the instruction is complete the pairs of sentences with the words in bold. Lengkapkan pasangan ayat di bawah dengan perkataan yang berhuruf tebal. There are 6 questions here. We are going to do questions 1 together. Okay, pensions and benefit. Pension means pencen. Okay, duit pencen. Benefit means faedah. Okay, A, 1.A. My grandparents are both retired. They find it difficult living on their monthly pensions. Okay. Nenek dan datuk saya kedua-duanya telah bersara. Mereka merasakan sukar untuk bergantung kepada pencen bulanan. And B, of course, the answer is benefits. I'm very fortunate. I get a good salary as well as benefits faedah such as medical insurance and a company car. Okay, berdapat banyak faedah seperti insurans perubatan dan kereta syarikat. Okay, so please answer the rest of the questions. Okay, in task 1. Okay, next one. Word formation, task 2. Complete the table. Okay, so there are 2 parts, noun, kata nama, and adjective, kata sifat. So you have to fill in the missing words. Okay, either noun or adjective. Okay, so number 1. Okay, the adjective is ambitious, bercita-cita tinggi, and the noun is ambition, cita-cita, A-M-B-I-T-I-O-N, ambition. Okay, number 2. Okay, envious. Envious means adjective of envious. Envious means cemburu. Okay, number 3, wealthy, kaya. Okay, number 4, the noun is determination, kesungguhan. Number 5, adjective, secretive, berahsia, berahsia, secretive. And number 6, brave, berani. So you have to find either the nouns or adjective to complete the table. Okay, got it? And number 3, task 3. Now complete the sentences with some of the words that you have formed in task 2. Kemudian isikan tempat kosong di dalam ayat di bawah dengan noun ataupun adjektif yang telah kamu bina di dalam jadual dalam task yang kedua. Okay, number 1. We do number 1 together. Congratulations on your marriage. We wish you health, wealth and happiness. Tahniah atas perkahwinan anda. Kami ingin mengucapkan semoga sihat walafiat, kaya dan gembira. Okay, the noun is wealth. Okay, wealth. Okay, W-E-A-L-T-H. Okay, so you answer the rest of the questions. Okay, next one. Number 4, collocations and expression. Penggunaan perkataan ataupun frasa dalam ayat. Okay, the instruction is cross out the word which cannot be used with the verb in bold. Maksudnya, potong perkataan yang tidak boleh digunakan dengan kata kerja yang berhuruf tebal. Okay, this one we do it together. Number 1, have. Okay, have an interview. Correct. Okay, have a career. Ada kerjaya. Okay, so you cross out the second word. There is a good decision. Have a good decision cannot be used with have. Okay, so you cross a good decision. Number 2, be a failure, correct? Be a success, also correct. Okay, so you need to cross out the word a contract. You don't say, okay, be a contract. Yeah. Next one, number 3. Okay, make a profit, correct? Make a fortune, buat kekayaan. And the odd one out is a promotion. So you cross out, potong a promotion. We don't say make a promotion, membuat kenaikan pangkat, no. Okay. Number 4, own a company, correct? Own possession, memiliki hak milik, possession, hak milik. So the odd one out is overtime. Own overtime. You don't say memiliki kerja lebih masa. It is wrong. Okay? So you cross out overtime. Number 5. Okay. Win, menang. Okay. Win support. Correct. Win respect. Also correct. So the odd one out is win time off. Masa untuk berehat. And so you cross out time off. And lastly, do a job. Correct. Do work experience, also correct. And the odd one out, or the words that you have to cross out, is a job offer. Okay, do a job offer, membuat tawaran kerja. Okay, so that's all for now. Okay, I wish you all the best. Okay, till we meet again in the next lesson. Okay, till then, enjoy your day, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.